Hello, Milwaukee. We are looking at a freezing day ahead of our forecast. Today calls for cloudy skies with a high of 30 degrees Fahrenheit, a low of 0 degrees Fahrenheit. There is a 100% chance of snow. For today, we can expect the winds to be 15 miles per hour. We're still experiencing a blizzard. Let's turn it over to Riker, who is on the scenes right now. Riker, tell us what's going on.
Hi folks, right now we are experiencing a disaster event. It is freezing outside right now. Stay inside, drive safe, drive slowly, dress warm, turn your heat on high. Back over to you, over.
Thanks for the report, Riker. As you can see, folks, there is a blizzard, so take care of yourself out there. And now here's what you can expect for our 5-day forecast. Monday gonna be a blizzard, a high of 30 degrees Fahrenheit, a low of 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Tuesday gonna be a blizzard again, high of 15 degrees Fahrenheit, low of 5 below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Wednesday gonna be pure cloudy, high of 20 degrees Fahrenheit, a low of 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Thursday gonna be sunny, high of 10 degrees Fahrenheit, low of 6 degrees Fahrenheit. Friday, blizzard again, high of 40 degrees Fahrenheit, low of 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching. Keep it here for all your weather updates.